Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create a poll on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a poll on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone and open the chat box of the person or the group on which you want to make or create a poll. So I'll be just creating a poll on a personal chat box. You can do this on a group also. And after you have opened your chat box on which you want to make a poll, at bottom of the screen guys, where you can see there is the message bar, there is also the attachment bar available or attachment icon available for us at the right side of it. Just at the left side of the camera icon and the message bar, tap on that attachment bar and this kind of interface will appear. And if you scroll down guys, you can see there is a poll option available for us. Tap on that poll, and over here you'll be required to ask a question of which you are making a poll, suppose. And after that, add your options, yes and no. And after that, send it guys. You can add multiple answers or multiple polls if you want. And that being done guys, if you can also turn it off like this, and after that tap on the airplane icon at the right side and that poll will be created. And you can see guys, the poll has been created. And guys, this is how to create a poll on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.